the best AI careers right now. Hello everyone, welcome to Sageet Tech Talks. In this video, we are breaking down the best AI careers right now based on demand, salary growth, future stability, and how realistic they are to enter. Let's get into it. Right now, AI is not optional, it is the baseline. Entry level coding, automated. Basic content creation, augmented. Simple automation setup, commoditized. The question is not whether AI will affect your job. It is where do you create value in an AI first world? Let's break down the AI careers that actually matter today. Number 1, the domain translator. The domain translator is the strategic bridge between technical AI teams and business leaders, translating AI capabilities into practical solutions that drive real business value. Nate B. Jones, an AI strategist and product leader known for his daily analysis on YouTube, identified a massive canyon in the market in his recent video, Why the Biggest AI Career Opportunity Just Appeared and Almost Nobody Sees It. On one side are tech teams that understand the models but not the business. On the other are executives who understand the business but are intimidated by the technology. Watch the full video using the link in the description below. Despite the panic, the video identified a massive career opportunity for those who can bridge the gap between technical AI capabilities and business workflows. The domain translator bridges this gap by testing AI against specific real-world workflows, not just demos, explaining exactly where a model like Claude succeeds and where it fails with a business process, translating AI hype into an implementation plan that leadership can actually trust. You are not just learning AI, you are becoming the person who makes AI useful for the bottom line. AI engineer or agent systems architect. AI engineers are not just coding anymore, they are agent system architects. Today, they design and manage AI agent systems. Instead of building one feature, they connect multiple models and make them work together, prevent errors and hallucinations to keep systems running reliably. You are not paid to write code, you are paid to manage digital workers. Your value is orchestration, not syntax. AI product manager or constraint strategist. AI product managers are now constraint strategists. The constraint strategists don't just come up with ideas, they manage trade offs. The hard questions are not just what can we build, but also how much does it cost and is it fast enough to maintain user trust. They decide when to use a lightweight model versus a more powerful one to protect the company's margins. AI automation specialist or reliability designer. An AI automation specialist now acts as a reliability designer. Setting up automation is easy. Keeping it stable is not. Today's specialists focus on handling failures and adding human checkpoints, designing safety nets and feedback loops so the AI does not damage the business. Reliability over simple connectivity. AI data specialist or synthetic data architect. Today's AI data specialists are becoming synthetic data architects. High quality human data is becoming limited. Modern data specialists prevent model collapse by generating high fidelity synthetic data, validating data quality, and protecting training pipelines, protecting the intelligence of the model itself. AI safety and red team specialist. AI safety is not just HR compliance anymore, it's active defense. One bad output can wipe out billions in market cap. These specialists stress test systems and find failures before customers do. AI creative or systems creative director. The AI creative role has evolved into systems creative director. Creativity has not disappeared, it is multiplied. The advantage today is not just having a good idea, it's knowing how to direct AI tools to produce high quality work at scale. You are the director of a digital creative agency. Let's find out how to choose the right AI career. Forget simple labels like coding or strategy. Choose your lane based on how you think. If you love bridging the gap between tech and leadership, domain translator. If you enjoy building systems and connecting moving parts, agent systems architect. If you prefer making strategic decisions and balancing trade offs, constraint strategist. If you like fixing broken processes and making things run smoothly, reliability designer. If you enjoy working with data and improving how models learn, synthetic data architect. If you like pressure testing systems and finding weaknesses, AI safety or red team specialist. If you prefer directing creativity and scaling ideas, systems creative director. The highest paid professionals today are hybrids. They understand the technology, the business, and the system as a whole. AI careers are not about avoiding automation, they are about managing it. The bar has already been raised. The question is, where do you fit in? If you found this helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.